Sunlight, hello, good morning. Yes, give it to the girls. Do you see R2D2? Because I'm matching me and R2D2 like this. I wish. I wish. But my friend made these. Okay, my friend made these. She did a good job. This was during when COVID happened and Disney laid us all off. So she started making earrings, and R2D2 is like my favorite, mostly because he's blue and I love blue, but also he's so cute. Number one. But anyway, let's get into this. Good morning, good morning. It's great to get up late. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, December 11th. Just dropped off my kid for his schooling, and my tire was on 8, okay? And I was like, ooh, I need to start teaching my son about when he hear noises, not noises, but he hears a notification on the car to know what that means. So I got to start teaching him that and maintenance on the car and stuff. So I was like, what do I need to do? Because nobody really taught me that. So I need to teach him so he knows better. Okay? Okay. Because everybody needs to know. I need to learn. So yeah, today I am on my way to work. I have one recording to do today, so I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I can't talk. I'm on my way to do that. And then I'll stay a couple of hours at work for that and edit and stuff like that, and then come home. And today is Meatless Monday, so I prepared last night my meatless meat, and I think I'm just gonna make like a kind of like Chipotle bowl kind of thing. The meat, I have some rice, some salad to mix up in there, my greens, and yeah, I got some salsa. So yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. Speaking on like stuff for my car, I would love if there was a female mechanic around here that could teach other women what to do and what to look for when they have a car, all this stuff. Because I'm like, nobody taught me this stuff. Like, I learned stuff from if I'm watching somebody do something, or YouTube University. Hello. So I would love it. And there is a female mechanic. I follow her on Instagram or Facebook, one of them. And she's great, but she's all the way up north. And she does classes and stuff, but it ain't here. So where are my female mechanics at that will help other females understand how to take care of their car? Like, we need that. And be able to teach single mothers, teach our sons how to take care of their car too. So also, drag race is coming back, and if you don't follow me on TikTok, I do reaction videos of shows that I watch that I love, and RuPaul's Drag Race is one of them, one of my favorite shows. Also, Big Brother is coming back. If you haven't seen my Big Brother video, where I get gifts from them, that's the reason why I got a gift from them, because I watched the whole season and watched the live feeds. Boy, when I tell you, you learn so much from the live feeds, and this was my first year actually watching live feeds every single day. Amazing and so much fun. Okay, so much fun. So over on my TikTok, randomly Ricki, RICKI. Because why? I will be over there doing commentary. If y'all ever watched Bravo's The People's Couch, or is it Gogglebox over in the UK? If I'm saying that right, I hope I'm saying that right. Gogglebox. I know that they got that from Gogglebox. I love watching like people on their couches talking about shows that I haven't seen, and watching UK people watch stuff in America and stuff. It was hilarious, and also it's a good show. Like Gogglebox, I love that. If I'm saying it right, I hope I'm saying it right. But that's where the inspiration came from, me doing commentary on shows. I have a Randomly Ricki YouTube page, but with YouTube, they copyright a lot of things that are on TV, so I can do it over in TikTok better. And I've seen people do Twitch too, which I haven't got fully into Twitch. I've watched people play Hogwarts Legacy over there because that game looks freaking amazing, and I want to play the game because it looks beautiful. And of course, I'm a big Harry Potter fan, which that's another show I'll watch. Movies I'll watch during the holiday season because, well, any time of the year I can watch Harry Potter, I will watch it. Okay, so TikTok, my Ricki Edits Life. I have a TikTok for. I have two TikTok pages, Randomly Ricki and also Ricki Edits Life, for stuff like this and stuff that I do work-wise or freelance-wise or random photography or videographer ideas that I have are over there and also over here. So yeah, check those places out. Check that out. Check it out. Anaconda, don't. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm also on Instagram, Ricki Edits Life. Over there, Ricki Edits Life, media.org, Ricki Edits Life, Ricki Edits Life, Ricki Edits Life, because Ricki is editing her own life right now, and that's what it is. That's where I get the name from. Y'all, when I tell you there's nobody on campus today, the kids are out. I thought it wouldn't be this dead, but it is dead. The kids are not here, and it's just the workers, and it's nice because I don't have to be like ducking and dodging and looking for bikes and scooters and stuff. But parking's still ridiculous. I still gotta park, but at least it's not as busy, so that's good. But it's so weird because it's so quiet with no students around. It's crazy. just be making shit up when I be in the kitchen sometimes. Like, this is not a recipe. I was like, I got meat, I got fake meat, I got vegetables, and I got rice, and I got stir fry, and I got mumbo sauce. Sounds like a combination to me, and sometimes my combinations taste pretty good. So I love making a good old rice bowl, baby.